Hi there. So I want to put a HFS file system that's readable by macOS or OS X on one of these drives. These drives have been in a RAID 0 configuration forever, and I'm going to erase one of them and put some data on so it can be read from a Mac. So to do that, I found a fairly useful program here called gparted for reading blogs. So the first thing you want to do is install this gparted program. And I'm running Linux Mint Terra, Linux Mint 19. So from root prompt here, attempt to install it. It's already installed in my computer, but that's just for you how to do it. Once it's installed, bring up the program itself. This will bring it up. So apparently it just jumps onto the first drive, which I know in my case is a drive that I want to get rid of and repartition it. So gonna ignore that. So yeah, here I have a drive which is was part of a RAID 0. This was part of an Intel software RAID. There's no partition on here. So I'm gonna say device create partition table, and I'm gonna go with Mac. That looks reasonable. Apply. Boy, it doesn't warn you at all. It just says BAM. And I'm not sure why it's saying that. So now I have a partition on this drive, I would think. SDA1, file system unknown. What else can we do with this thing? That must be the partition itself. I don't know this program very well yet. Okay, what can we do here? Device, create partition table, partition, new. Okay, interesting. Okay, now we can make a partition. Minimum size, maximum size, 152. It's about right for my drive. Primary partition, partition name, file system. Okay, so I don't want that file system. I want to go on to HFS. There it is right there. Look at that. For the Mac. So let's choose HFS plus. And what is this for? The name or something? That's a graphic. That's kind of cool. Okay, primary partition. Partition name. I can't name it. Add. Create primary partition. Operation pending. Okay, there's my new partition there. I'm thinking now I want to write a file system on this thing. It's pending. Okay, it's saying it's done. Not sure. Format to HFS plus. Looks like I'm already formatted. Well, let's see what happens here. Boom. Operation pending. New partition HFS plus. I'm thinking that it would do like a nufus or something on this thing. Information. It's not very big. Pending operations. Okay. There's my apply. Okay, so let's apply them. And I can hear the disk. I hear the disk running. Completed details. Okay, so I'm not really sure I can actually mount this HFS onto my Linux Mint, but you never know. Ignore that again. Okay, so it's saying /dev SDA2 is HFS. Okay. Okay, so dev HFS2, let's make a mount point for it. Like that. Do a mount. So SDA2 was the HFS file system, I think. Will it work? Well, okay, so supposedly this thing's HFS and HFS plus, and if I throw this thing into a Mac, it should read it, right? Who knows? Anyway, supposedly now I could put this thing into a Mac Pro and copy files onto it and read it. So the size looks right for HFS there on the bottom, so I'll give it a whirl. Okay, well, this is most likely how to create a Mac style partition on a hard drive on Linux on Mint 19 here and be readable by your Mac Pro. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.